How to customize Facebook navigation bar. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. Then open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Again scroll down. Now tap on tab bar. Now simply tap on customize the bar. Now if you want to pin a tab, simply tap on auto, then tap on pin. If you want to hide any tab, simply tap on the auto button and select hide. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.